My favorite neighborhood coffee shop is permanently closed, Lisa. I'm experiencing great emotional sorrow.
Oh no, I would be totally bummed out too.
Bummed out? Did someone throw me in the trash?
No, silly. It just means you feel really disappointed and unhappy about a bad situation.
Take 5, take a chow, feel the vibe. Take 5, come alive. Welcome to Take 5 Slang English Chatroom.
Welcome to Take 5 Slang and Idioms Chatroom.
The best place to upgrade your everyday English from textbook to natural.
Today, we are exploring better ways to express that low, unhappy feeling when things do not go your way.
Because using the same basic word all the time can make you sound like a computer.
Exactly. So let's check out our levels and give your vocabulary a fresh upgrade. Let's start with level 1, which is the standard textbook word, sad.
We learned that one on day 1, but it does not always capture the true feeling of a bad day.
That is why level 2 is an idiom, down in the dumps, which creates an image of sitting alone in a messy garbage dump.
Wow, that perfectly describes feeling trapped in a gloomy, miserable place.
Moving up to level 3, we have our slang phrase for the day, bummed out.
This one is incredibly common when plans get ruined or you receive bad news.
It tells everyone you are highly disappointed without sounding overly dramatic.
We also have a special bonus phrase for native speaker style, which is in a funk.
This means you are stuck in a negative mood for a few days and cannot seem to shake it off.
That is a great one. I definitely feel that way on rainy Mondays. Let's practice saying these together, starting with our level 2 phrase, down in the dumps.
Excellent pronunciation, everyone. You sound fantastic.
Next up is our level 3 slang phrase, bummed out.
Brilliant job. Keep up that amazing rhythm.
Finally, let's try our natural flavor phrase, in a funk.
Incredible work. Your English is sounding smoother already.
Keep practicing out loud to build that muscle memory.
Now, let's see how these phrases work in real-life conversations.
Scenario A features a friend who just failed an important driving test.
Hey, Mark. Why do you look so miserable today?
I failed my driving test this morning, so I am really down in the dumps.
Scenario B takes place when outdoor concert plans get canceled because of rain.
Did you hear that the weekend music festival was completely canceled?
Oh no, I am so bummed out because I already bought my ticket.
Scenario C shows 2 roommates talking about a long, stressful week.
You have been staring at the wall for an hour. Is everything okay?
I am just in a funk lately and cannot find the motivation to do anything.
For today's culture tip, Americans use these casual phrases to express empathy without being too intrusive.
It is a polite way to share your heavy feelings while keeping the conversation friendly.
Now it is time for your Take 5 task, which you can answer in the comments.
Fill in the blank for this sentence. My favorite team lost the game, so I am totally blank.
Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
See you next time in the chat room. Goodbye.